This is it. You guys are too weak to defeat me now. Oh, really? And where we go? Really? You think that'll do anything? Yes. Just wait. Wait, what? Ah! Ow! Speedy fast, go! I've been waiting to do this ever since you came back. Wait, what? No! Ow! 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 Don't eat it! Ow! 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 And you guys are probably wondering where my brother is. He's actually sick. Not really. Bluebird, go! Bluebird, go! Ow, 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 ow! I am controlling this ball. Boing, boing. I'm Greenbird Jr. I'm gonna send him to a different dimension. Wait, what? Let's turn on the science laboratory thingy. Okay. Right. In you go. Haha. Now let's put on this signal. Haha. Whoa. Hey, where? Ooh, that's the prettiest star ever. Alright, I'm gonna get it. Oh, a star. I'm gonna attack the mouse. Wait, what the heck? Ah! Huh? Who are you? I am your new master. Get the star, get the ball, and get Baby Mario. Wait, what? What? Why? I will take over the existence. Okay. We'll do it together. Yeah. To be continued.